We all live with some ghosts from the past, and they rent a big space inside our head. What I mean by ghosts is the accumulation of the things we can't accept since childhood that transform into a different version of you. It is until we are aware of that voices in our head, we are not truly alive because we believe those voices to be true. The voice convinces us that we are not good enough, we are not lovable, nobody wants us, and success is only for others and not for us. There is one ghost that kept telling me that I'm not good enough for the world and even for myself. This has been my theme song for the last 2 years. I know it is not true, but I felt hopeless. No matter what I do, the ghost is still there. I kept denying it and I want to run from it. I have tried many healing modalities, but they only scratch the surface. The real healing begins when we are brave enough to feel all of our feelings, no matter what. When people don't want to feel, they try to cope with other things, even if it is a positive habit, just to run away from the ghost. I'm talking to myself here. I have a lot of coping mechanism, from going into spiritual classes, meditation retreats, identifying myself with all positive labels so that I don't have to feel bad about myself. Coping mechanism can be a double-edged sword. It can make you feel good for a while, only to feel really bad when the voices starts to loop in our head again, and we wonder why we feel even worse. The ghost from the past will always be there. She is here to guide us into a better version of ourselves. The ghost is here to awaken us from fear. Humans have the same inner purpose, which is to become more conscious, and we do it by accepting, acknowledging, feeling, and surrendering whatever comes in this now. The hardest thing is to just feel everything and not judging how we feel. When I felt like I'm not good enough, I drop everything and try to just be with the ghosts or the voices. I might fail and trying to cope again, but it's okay. It is a process. It is our human experience. At least there is an awareness and an opening to new possibilities. The ghost is like a missing puzzle. We don't realize that we actually need it so much. We must face the ghost to slowly healing towards completion and wholeness. When I finally have the courage to just feel the ghost, listening to it just like I welcome a friend, I started to see my inner child at 11 years old. She is always gloomy and sad, just like Eeyore. She's skinny with the funny bangs, sitting alone in the dark room, so lonely, weak and hopeless. She's dying. It feels like I'm opening an ancient record of myself and finally reveal that there is a part of me that is still wounded, and she's begging to be seen and loved. It is a beautiful process and brings liberation into my soul. When I was a child, I felt deeply unworthy and unwanted just because I'm not good at academics. The long process of schooling makes me hate myself, and that is why I cope by suppressing my true feelings so that I don't feel bad and unworthy. The ghost in our head is an angel in disguise. Everything that happens is always for our own expansion. We love to judge our experience as good or bad, and this is a hindrance. Many times I judge myself so harshly because of the nasty voices that kept coming back, and I dislike it. I'm hating myself. I slip into victimhood and not realizing that every emotion was a gift. It's not an easy pill to swallow to think that every bad feelings are actually keys to unlock the deeper dimension of ourselves. Please don't positive think yourself. Allow yourself to just feel every damn thing wholeheartedly. This is your mission. There is neither good or bad. It is all neutral, as it is. You are worthy no matter what. You are always enough. I see you, my friend. What a blessing to cross paths with you. Thank you.